Welcome to Learning Life Content. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories. Srinagar, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir, is a place of breathtaking beauty. Nestled in the Kashmir Valley, it is surrounded by majestic mountains. Crystal-clear lakes reflect the sky. Houseboats bob gently on the water. The air is filled with the scent of flowers. Srinagar is known as the paradise on earth. Among its many treasures, Srinagar holds the Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden. This garden is a testament to nature's artistry. It is a riot of color and fragrance. Every spring, millions of tulips bloom here. They transform the landscape into a vibrant tapestry. The garden sits on a gentle slope. It overlooks the Dal Lake, a famous landmark. The Zabawan Mountains provide a stunning backdrop. This location adds to the garden's allure. It creates a sense of tranquility and wonder. Stepping into the garden is like entering a dream. Rows upon rows of tulips stretch out in every direction. They create a sea of color that seems to go on forever. The sheer scale of the garden is breathtaking. It is home to over 1 million tulip bulbs. They represent over 70 different varieties. Each variety of tulip has its own unique charm. Some are tall and elegant, with slender stems and delicate petals. Others are short and sturdy, with large, showy blooms. Some tulips have a single color, while others are striped or variegated. The variety is truly astonishing. There are tulips in every color imaginable: deep crimson, sunny yellow, and pure white. There are shades of pink, purple, orange, and even black. The air is filled with the sweet scent of the flowers. It mingles with the fresh mountain air. Behind the garden's splendor lies the hard work and dedication of a team of skilled gardeners. These men and women work tirelessly throughout the year to ensure that the tulips bloom in all their glory. They plant, water, weed, and nurture the flowers with care and precision. The process of growing tulips is a labor of love. It begins in the autumn when the bulbs are planted. The gardeners carefully prepare the soil, ensuring that it is well drained and fertile. They plant the bulbs at the correct depth and spacing, taking into account the specific needs of each variety. Throughout the winter months, the gardeners protect the bulbs from frost and snow. They monitor the soil moisture and provide additional water when necessary. As spring approaches, their work intensifies. They prepare the garden for the arrival of visitors. The opening of the Tulip Garden is a much-anticipated event in Srinagar. Visitors from all over the world flock to witness this spectacle of nature. They wander through the garden's pathways, their senses overwhelmed by the beauty that surrounds them. Families stroll hand in hand, children's laughter echoing through the air. Couples pose for photographs amidst the flowers, capturing memories that will last a lifetime. Artists set up their easels, inspired by the vibrant colors and graceful forms. The atmosphere in the garden is one of joy and wonder. Visitors marvel at the sheer variety of tulips. They express their amazement at the gardener's skill. The garden is a place where people from all walks of life come together to appreciate the beauty of nature. Section 5. The Art of Tulip Cultivation, Challenges and Triumphs. Growing tulips in the challenging climate of Kashmir is no easy feat. The gardeners face a number of obstacles, including harsh winters, unpredictable weather patterns, and the threat of pests and diseases. However, they overcome these challenges with their knowledge, experience, and unwavering dedication. One of the biggest challenges is protecting the bulbs from the cold. During the winter months, temperatures in Srinagar can drop below freezing. To prevent the bulbs from freezing, the gardeners cover the garden with a thick layer of mulch. Another challenge is ensuring that the tulips receive the right amount of water. Too much water can cause the bulbs to rot, while too little water will prevent them from growing properly. The gardeners carefully monitor the soil moisture and adjust their watering schedule accordingly. Section 6. A global magnet. Tourists flock to Srinagar. The Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden has put Srinagar on the world tourism map. It has become a major attraction, drawing visitors from all corners of the globe. Tourists from Europe, America, Southeast Asia and other parts of India come to witness this floral spectacle. The influx of tourists during the tulip season provides a significant boost to the local economy. Hotels, restaurants, transportation services and souvenir shops all benefit from the increased business. The garden has created employment opportunities for local people. The garden's popularity has also helped to promote Kashmir as a safe and welcoming destination. This is particularly important in light of the region's history of political unrest and violence. Section 7. Beyond Beauty, Economic Impact of the Tulip Garden. The economic impact of the tulip garden extends beyond tourism. The garden has also become a source of income for local flower growers. They supply tulip bulbs to other parts of India and even abroad. The government has invested in infrastructure and facilities to support the garden's growth and development. This includes building new roads, improving transportation links, and providing better amenities for visitors. The success of the tulip garden has inspired other initiatives to promote horticulture and floriculture in the region. This has led to the creation of more jobs and economic opportunities for local communities. Section 8. A testament to dedication, nature's beauty preserved. The Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden is more than just a tourist attraction. It is a testament to the power of nature to inspire and uplift the human spirit. It is a reminder that even in the most challenging of circumstances, beauty can flourish. The garden is a symbol of hope and renewal. It shows that with dedication, hard work, and a love for nature, anything is possible. The gardener's efforts ensure that future generations can continue to enjoy this floral wonderland. The garden serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving natural beauty. It highlights the need to protect our environment for future generations. Section 9. A symphony of colours, a lasting impression. A visit to Srinagar's tulip garden is an unforgettable experience. The vibrant colours, the sweet fragrance and the sheer scale of the garden leave a lasting impression on the soul. It is a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It is a place to reconnect with nature and appreciate the simple beauty of a flower. The garden is a reminder that even in a world that often seems dark and chaotic, there is still beauty to be found. The memory of the tulip garden, with its symphony of colours and its message of hope and renewal, stays with you long after you've left. It's a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected of places. Thank you for watching Learning Life content. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Your support helps us grow and motivates us to bring you more fascinating and enriching stories.